Polynomial division can be classified according to two types. There's the easy division, and then there's the hard division. And these are distinguished by how many terms we have in the divisor. If the divisor is just a monomial, then we have easy division. Okay, so for example, if we have to divide 6x cubed plus 4x squared plus 10x by 2x, divide by 2x. Because the divisor here is a monomial, then all we have to do is divide term by term. So we go 6x cubed divided by 2x plus 4x squared divided by 2x plus 10x divided by 2x. And then, of course, we would like to simplify each of these fractions. Okay, so here 2x is a common factor because 2 will divide 6 and x will divide x cubed, of course. So we get 3x squared out of that, and we get 2x here, and here all we have left is a 5. Okay, so there's easy division for you. Now, on the other hand, if the divisor has more than one term, then we need to use a process similar to long division in numbers, which you may have learned in grade school. Okay, and as an example, we'll look at 7x squared plus 3x minus 3 divided by x plus 1. Okay, because the divisor in this case is a binomial, we must set it up using long division. Okay, so probably remember seeing something that looks like this. We put the dividend inside the box, and then the divisor outside the box. And then we ask ourselves, how many times will x go into this first term of the dividend, 7x squared? Another way to think about that is, what must I multiply x by in order to get 7x squared? And that, of course, is 7x. We write 7x up here, and then multiply out. 7x times x, 7x squared, and 7x times 1 is 7x. Then we must subtract and repeat the process. So this term goes away. 7x from 3x is a negative 4x. And we bring down the next term and repeat the process. X into a negative 4x goes a negative 4 times. And now multiply. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Subtract, and the remainder is 1. So the answer is 7x minus 4 with remainder 1. Okay, and that process is sketched out here in the notes for you. Let's do one more example. Now we have to divide 6x cubed minus 14x squared plus 3x plus 2 by x minus 2. Okay, again, we see the divisor is a binomial, so that means we must set it up using long division. 6x cubed minus 14x squared plus 3x plus 2. and we want to divide by x minus 2. Okay, so again we start by asking ourselves how many times does x go into 6x cubed, or in other words, what must I multiply x by in order to get 6x cubed? And of course that would be 6x squared, wouldn't it? Okay, then we multiply out the partial quotient by the divisor. We get 6x cubed minus 12x squared. Okay, and then subtract. 6x cubed from 6x cubed leaves nothing. And a negative 12x squared from a negative 14x squared is a negative 2x squared. Bring down the next term and repeat the process. X into a negative 2x squared goes negative 2x times, multiply, negative 2x times x, negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times negative 2 is a positive 4x. Okay, we subtract. First term goes away, as it must. And then 4x from 3x leaves a negative x. Bring down the 2. And then x in a negative x goes negative once. And in this particular case, the answer comes out exact, no remainder. Okay, and again, the process is similar to long division in numbers. If you do a little practice, I think you will get comfortable with it.